Welcome to your Howmuch POS dashboard. Navigate to the Add Product tile to easily begin. Clicking Add Product instantly brings up the creation form. First, you'll specify a unique SKU for identification. Next, precisely define your product by entering its name, like Oreo Biscuit Large. This clear naming ensures accurate inventory tracking and easy customer lookups, helping you maintain perfect organization for all your items effortlessly. Then, set the product's price and input its initial stock quantity. This ensures accurate pricing and helps you effectively monitor your available inventory at all times. Select the correct goods location and apply the appropriate tax category, such as retail tax. This streamlines accounting processes and ensures precise tax calculations for every sale. Enhance product details by enabling Track Inventory for real-time stock updates. If sold by weight, check Weighted and define the ratio for flexible pricing. These features offer granular control, preventing discrepancies and optimizing sales based on attributes. With all details entered, click Create Product. The system will process your entry instantly, confirming your new product has been successfully added to the catalog. Click OK to dismiss the success message. Your new product is now live and ready for sale, enhancing your inventory. Experience the simplicity and efficiency of Howmuch POS for all your product management needs today.